Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Hoover brand washing machine and you're getting an E07 error on it and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it? So the E07 error is an error code that Hoover has used for different things on different models. So it could really mean one of two things. The first thing that could mean is a door lock problem. So the door it's sensing some kind of anomaly or failure to lock the door properly. And so the easiest thing that you can do as a homeowner to try to get rid of this error is just to physically check the door locking mechanism and everything and make sure that there's nothing in there preventing it from locking properly. Like sometimes some lint or just some kind of buildup of gunk and stuff like that will get in here and the door will not be able to lock properly. Make sure this is cleaned off, there's no gunk, grease or anything like that on it. It could also be the wiring behind it. There could be a problem with it. But if you get to that point, you're probably better off, unless you're comfortable opening this up and checking the wiring, you can do that. You might want to call a technician. The second issue you're almost certainly going to need to call a technician for, and that it's actually sensing that the motor that spins is jammed or not working properly. And before you get into something like that, you're probably just going to want to call for help. But anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on, maybe got rid of the code, and got your washing machine working again. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.